Today we're going to talk about creating a pop-up in aWeber. Please log into aWeber. Once inside, go to the List Settings tab and follow the web form link. If you have several different lists set up, be sure to select the list you want to create the pop-up for. I'm going to change mine to Language Tips. Then I'm going to click on Create Web Form. I'll give the form a name. Language Tips Pop-up. And then I'll set my option, the type, to pop-up. I'm going to leave the default dimensions, and then I'm asked to pick a title for my pop-up. So I'm going to enter Language Learning Email Tips. I'll change the delay to 2 seconds, just for illustration purposes. Once I load the form up onto the website, I want it to load fairly quickly. I'm going to have it display only once per visitor, and since I want to redirect people to a specific page, I'm going to enter that address in on the thank you page. Learn languages quick.com/index1.html. I'm going to leave the rest of the settings as the default settings, and then I'm going to click Next. Now I see a preview of my opt-in. Right now it's only asking for their email address, and I'd like to have their name as well. So I'll hover over the field on the right, and I'll click the green plus button. I see that it added my name field below the email field, so I'll just click on it and drag it into the correct position. I'll also add a description of what they're opting in for by copying and pasting it from the existing form on the site, but you can also type in your own text. Okay, everything looks good, so I'll click Save. And my form is created. To get the HTML code, I click on Get HTML and follow the instructions for integrating the code into my website. All I need to do is copy the first set of code into my web page before the closing head tag and upload the page to my web server. Let's head over to Dreamweaver and I'll show you how to do that. Please pause the video if you do not have Dreamweaver open. Okay, I have the index page to our website open in design mode. I'm going to switch to Code View and then head back to aWeber. The only code I need to insert is the JavaScript code at the top of that page. This has to be inserted just above the close head tag. So I'm going to highlight and copy the script, then switch back to Dreamweaver. I've located the tag, so I'll enter a few blank lines and then paste my code inside. Perfect. Now I save my page and upload it to my web server. Clicking over to my browser, this is what the finished product looks like. If you want to modify the look and feel of the form, then just head back into aWeber and make the changes on the Design tab of the form we were just working with. As you can see, aWeber has an easy way for you to create custom opt-in forms for your website. Pop-ups are a great tool that can be used to help increase your opt-ins. Feel free to contact me if you have any questions.